If you want to connect a USB flash drive to your Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, then in that case, if your flash drive is USB-C, then you can just directly connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. But if you have USB-A flash drive, just like I do over here, then in this case you might want to use an adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C. So we plug it in, just like that, and then we connect it to the phone, to the USB-C port, just like that. And most likely you will see a notification about the USB drive being connected. So you can, for example, tap on the notification in order to open the file manager so you can access your files on your USB. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you can also use, for example, the Files app by Google. You should find the storage in here as well. There we go, it is here in all storage and so on. So that's all. Subscribe to my channel.